Measuring Honeycomb Blinds Smart Fit. Need help measuring your blinds? In this video, we will explain how to measure and order your Honeycomb Smart Fit blinds for a reveal fit. To ensure that your blind fits perfectly in your window, start by measuring the width inside the reveal. Do this 3 times at the top, middle and bottom of your window, and record the smallest width to the millimetre. Now do the same for the height of the reveal and record the smallest height of the 3 measurements. Enter the noted measurements and the specifications of the blind you want on venetiablinds.com.au. Ensure that you use the hard measurements that you have taken and do not make any deductions. And your perfectly tailor-made blind will be on its way to you soon. If you need further assistance, book a free video consultation with one of our product specialists.